Please subscribe.
New for 2018. In addition to a new front fascia, the 2018 Toyota Yaris receives an upgraded infotainment system and a new instrument cluster in the L and the trims with a multi-information display. Blue Eclipse replaces Blue Streak Metallic, and Crushed Ice with a black roof is replaced by Blue Streak with the black roof as the second two-tone exterior color. Vehicle summary. Slotting below the compact Corolla, the 2018 Toyota Yaris is the Japanese brand's entry-level vehicle, available in 2- or 4-door hatchback variants. A sedan based on the global market Mazda 2 called the Yaris Ia is also available. Overview. All Yaris hatchbacks are powered by a 1.5-liter i4 with 106 horsepower and 103 pounds-to-foot of torque, paired to a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy ratings for the 2018 model, but the 2017 Yaris was rated at 30/36 of a mile per gallon city, highway with the manual, or 30/35 of a mile per gallon with the automatic. There's 15.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the split folding rear seats in the 2-door variant, or 15.6 cubic feet in the 4-door model. Standard features include Bluetooth connectivity, a 6.1-inch touchscreen, a USB port, Siri Eyes free, cloth upholstery, and a multi-information display. The SC trim gets a larger 7.0-inch touchscreen, navigation, and 16-inch alloy wheels as additional standard features. Safety. The 2018 Toyota Yaris hasn't been crash tested, but the 2017 model received a 4-star overall rating from the NHTSA, out of a possible 5 stars. The car was also tested by the Eyes, and it received a good score on all but the small overlap front crash, where it got a marginal rating. Good is the highest possible score. The Eyes gave the 2017 Yaris a basic score for front crash prevention. Standard on the 2018 Yaris, the TSSC Active Safety Feature Suite that includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and automatic high beams. What we think. In a 2015 first drive, we said that Yaris has a good bit of body roll, and it gets worse the harder you push the car. Keeping up your speeds in the Yaris is easy since it doesn't weigh much. However, the tall gearing means acceleration is slow and lacks torque, making it a challenge to get it up a hill. Steering, on the other hand, is responsive and makes the car feel nimble. Cool fact. The 2018 Toyota Yaris is one of 2 affordable subcompact cars that features automatic emergency braking, the other being the Yaris Ia sedan.